everybody. This has to be another example of one of our 347 Ford engines. It's one custom painted red with yellow wires. Look, I want to thank everybody for still watching our videos. We're not able to dyno. I'm begging for my brakes to come back so I can go back to dyno. But again, all of our engines have been verified for years on horsepower. I'm not worried about this engine going out to a customer and not making horsepower, because it always does, always will, and even makes more. Biggest thing is I'm getting them set up, timing, tuned, and I'm checking for my water leaks, oil leaks, and fuel leaks. And with that being said, we have a great product still. So I would like to fire this up, let you hear again, one of our 347 engines. As usual, more rotating action. Look, like I say, when you custom build an engine, you get to build it your way. This has to be going into a 68 Mercury Cougar. But yet the gentleman wanted one of his a late model pump on here, which I set it up with the reverse rotation water pump. He's going to put his own pulleys on. But again, he wanted a red with yellow wires, black valve covers. He wanted the Holly carburetor and a front sump. That's what happens when you build it custom. You get to build the engine the way you want it to ride for you. And again, it makes it very simple for you to install it, to put the engine in. So if there's anything we can help you, it's 1-800-267-3940. And remember, the proof is in the performance. Thank you.